Hi guys, this will be a short DIY video to show my aftercare kit. It will be really easy. Just want to show you what I'm putting into it and how I'm making them, because loads of you are commenting on different eyelash extension support groups. So just want to share my own. So what we got there, you can see small gift bags. You can buy them on eBay or Amazon. They come in different sizes and colors, so you can choose your desired one. After, I have these aftercare instruction cards. And on the other side there is a loyalty card. They can have after refill for half price. Next is those small brushes and micro brushes as well. They can use them with a lash shampoo, and they can purchase lash shampoo separately. So let's start. You take one of those bags. Today I'm using white just to match my color palette. You take the bag, you take one of those cards, just place it in. So next is this brush. These brushes also comes in different sizes and colors. And one micro brush. Perfect. Just close it. Very easy. And look, you have beautiful aftercare kit. Normally I give these out in their first time for first time clients. Simply and gorgeous. If you like this video, just simply put your finger up and see you next time. Bye!